Hello folks, fellow YouTubers and friends. We seem to be having a minor situation here with the wall burner igniter. It's putting out a lot of high voltage, and I'm really worried about running it through metal light fixtures. I'm trying to figure a way to insulate this thing, because I mean it's doing some weird stuff here. And okay, I wrapped up about 8 or 9 thicknesses of duct tape, placed that in between, and guess what? It still goes, but it starts off above the electrical tape. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Oh well, so let's get the tape out of there, and let's put a piece of rubber in between here. Oops. And I'm pretty sure it's going to do the same thing. It's going to start out above the rubber. See it? Alright, so I got to figure a way to insulate that high voltage, because any metal gets near it and it burnt the wire right slap in two. In fact, I just did one a minute ago. Laid the wire across it, and took a piece of metal and just touched the wire, and it just, I mean, bam! And in 2 seconds it burnt through, burnt the wire at both sides in 2 places, just burned it in half. So we got a little bit of a dilemma there as far as putting the fluorescent lights in metal light fixtures. However, the ones outside that are hanging on the cable with zip ties, they're about 1.5 inches away from the metal cable, so that there's no problem there. You can see here it arcs at about 1/2 inch. Actually, maybe more like 7/16. But anyway, we're going to figure it out. I've got some plastic tubing, and like I said, if it touches metal, the really small wire, here, let me turn some light on so you can see. The small wire, like a jumper, it'll arc. If that wire touches a piece of grounded metal, it'll arc through the insulation and burn right through. And I was kind of hoping that we could slide it inside a tubing, but the tubing does seem to have some protection to a degree, but it can still arc through. Alright, we'll have to figure out something else. Okay, just thought I'd let you know what we're up to.